Hi everybody, hope that all of you are keeping fine. Yes, I am here with the continuation of class 9 mathematics chapter polynomials. In the previous classes we have done up to question number 9 of exercise 2.5. So today I am continuing with question number 10 of exercise 2.5, and the question is factorize each of the following. There are two questions. First one, 27y cube plus 125z cube. 27y cube plus 125z cube. It's a very easy question. We know that the question is in the form of a cube plus b cube, and I have given you the factorization formula of a cube plus b cube in the beginning of this exercise. A cube plus b cube has the factorization formula a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So straight away you have to apply that formula, that's all. So first of all you have to find out what is a and what is b. 27y cube is 3y the whole cube. 125z cube is 5z the whole cube. Now we got the exact values of a and b. Now it is in the form of a cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b, that is 3y plus 5z into a square, means 3y the whole square, minus ab, 3y into 5z, plus b square, that is 5z the whole square, is equal to 3y plus 5z into 9y square minus 15yz plus 25z square is the answer. So it's very simple. The direct application of the formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So question number 2 is 64n cube minus 343n cube is in the form of a cube minus b cube. And what is a cube minus b cube? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So in the second bracket all the three will remain plus. In the first bracket this sign will be minus. So do it as homework. Question number 11. Question number 11 is factorize. Factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Very easy. As you see the question, you can see it is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. The last identity. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So first of all, I am going to write it exactly in the form of that. 27x cube means 3x the whole cube plus y the whole cube plus z the whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, 3 into 3x into y into z. So we have shown what is a, what is b and what is c. Now the formula a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab 3x into y minus bc y into z minus ca z into 3x. Clear? It is just the application of the next identity. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc and minus ca. So just substitute these values. So it is equal to 3x plus y plus z into 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. So this is the answer. First factor, second factor. So the question is factorized. Next question is question number 12. Verify. Question number 12. The question is verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to half into bracket x plus y plus z into square bracket x minus y the whole square plus y minus z the whole square plus z minus x the whole square. We have already done the questions of this type. Verify. Verify means we have to prove LHS equal to RHS. And when you look at the LHS, you can see that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. It has nothing more to do. We know that it is one side of an identity. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into dash dash dash. The one that we have done just now. So there is nothing more to do with LHS of this question. So we will begin with RHS. So take the RHS. RHS is equal to half into x plus y plus z into x minus y the whole square plus y minus z the whole square plus z minus x the whole square is equal to half into x plus y plus z into, now open each of this bracket using the formula a minus b the whole square. So x minus y the whole square is x square minus 2xy plus y square. Second bracket y square minus 2yz plus z square. Third bracket z square minus 2zx plus x square. Bracket close. So using a minus b the whole square, we have expanded all these three brackets. Now it is equal to half into x plus y plus z into, now you see here there is an x square and here there is an x square. X square plus x square, 2x square. y square plus y square 2y square, z square plus z square 2z square, minus 2xy minus 2yz and minus 2zx is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into. Now if you look at this square bracket, you can see there is 2 common everywhere. In each term 2 is common. So I am taking that 2 common outside. 2 into inside the bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Taking 2 common. Now this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So what is left? X plus y plus z into second bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Are you familiar with this form? Yes. This is the expansion of, or this is the identity of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, or x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to this by identity. So we can write this is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. In bracket you can write using identity. Now which is equal to LHS. So we have started with RHS and we got which is equal to LHS. So you can write finally hence verify. Hence this question is verified. Once again I am explaining. We have started with RHS, and in RHS first of all we have taken this second bracket, and the second bracket is expanded using the formula a minus b the whole square. Then everywhere we have seen 2 common. The 2 is taken common outside. This 2 and this 1 by 2 got cancelled. Then we got this, which is the expanded form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, which is our LHS. So we got RHS equal to LHS, hence verified. Clear? Just work out. There is nothing new or nothing complicated in this question. Please do and practice. So this was question number 12. Now question number 13. Question number 13 is, if x plus y plus z equal to 0, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. I don't know whether you remember or not. While giving the identities in the beginning of this exercise, I have explained this question. Actually, this question as it is was given as an identity. Now you are asked, how did you get it? Show, how did you get it? So I am beginning it with this. We have to show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. So we can say, we know that, what do we know? We know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to formula x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is an identity. Okay, so I am starting with this identity. Now in this particular question, we are given that x plus y plus z equal to 0. Now I am going to substitute the value of x plus y plus z equal to 0 here. So it will become 0 into this x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. And we know that 0 into anything is 0. So we got x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to 0. So I am shifting this minus 3xyz term to RHS. Therefore, shifting this term to RHS. X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 0 plus 3xyz or 3xyz. So we got x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz when if x plus y plus z equal to 0. So simply usage of another identity here, and in this identity we have taken the value, we put the value x plus y plus z equal to 0. So the entire RHS became 0. So then we have taken this minus 3xyz to RHS. So it became plus 3xyz, and that is the answer. I hope you understood all the questions that are done today. That's all for today. 3 questions are left out that we will do in the next class. So thank you for watching me. Please take care and do all the questions once again. Thank you.